In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contracts in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to connect a contract to a project, estimate, and invoice, so everything is organized and easy to track inside QuickBooks. Let's start from the Projects area. Once you're signed into QuickBooks Online, look for the Projects option in the left-hand menu. Open that up and then choose the option to create a new project. Here, you'll give QuickBooks the basic details it needs. Select the customer this contract is for, then type in a clear project name that you and your client will recognize later, such as the job name or service description. You can also add start and end dates so you have a timeline attached. Taking a moment to fill this out accurately will make your reporting and billing much smoother down the road. When you're done, save the project. Next, you'll create an estimate for this project. From within the project, add a new estimate and make sure it's tied to the same customer and project you just created. This estimate will act as the financial outline of your contract inside QuickBooks. Add your products and services, and group or bundle items together if you want to present them as a package. For example, you might bundle design, materials, and installation into a single line for the client, while still tracking the pieces individually. Before you go further, head into your QuickBooks settings and turn on Progress Invoicing in the Preferences. This feature lets you bill the estimate in stages instead of all at once, which is essential for contract-style work. Once work is underway and you're ready to bill the client, you'll use that estimate to create a progress invoice. Open the estimate and look for the option to create an invoice from it. QuickBooks will ask whether you want to invoice a percentage of the total, a specific amount, or certain line items. Choose the option that matches your contract terms. For example, you might bill 30% upfront, 40% mid-project, and the remaining balance at completion. This keeps your invoices consistent with the estimate and helps prevent billing errors. Finally, attach your actual contract document to either the estimate or the invoice so everything stays together. Open the estimate or invoice, look for the paperclip icon, and upload your contract file. This way, anyone reviewing the transaction can quickly reference the signed agreement without leaving QuickBooks. It's a simple step that keeps your records organized and your contract details easy to find.